We've already learned what do you mean by similar objects. Now, what I said, we are not interested in any objects. We are going to discuss only similarity of triangles. So let's understand what is going to happen when two triangles are similar to their sides and to their angles. Now we learned that with the help of a very simple example I take now. So what I've done is I've drawn a triangle, a beautiful triangle drawn by me, okay, and I name the name of this triangle as ABC. Now the triangle, so it has got the sides and the angles. So let's take the length of AB to be 4 centimeter, length of BC to be 5 centimeter, and the length of AC as 6 centimeter. And the measure of angle A to be 70 degree, measure of angle B to be 80 degree, and measure of angle C to be 30 degree. Right? Now, what happens is, I've drawn a triangle. It's a small triangle, but I want it to be magnified. I want a bigger triangle, but I'm very lazy. I don't want to draw it again. So what is the option? It's a very simple option. What I want to do is, and I want to magnify it twice. So I'm not going to redraw it. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to take this paper and go to a Jumbo Xerox. And I say that I want it to be Jumbo Xerox. I want it to be doubled. That is magnified twice. So it comes out magnified. So this is the same triangle which has been magnified. So the shape remains the same, but the size is not the same. That means they are not congruent, but they are similar, right? I don't want the name of this triangle to be ABC. I want to change it and I take it as PQR. Now observe, students. What happens to the sides? Let's observe that. The length of AB was 4 centimeters. So here in this triangle, it has to be doubled. It is magnified twice, right? That means we know that what happens when the triangles are similar here? Twice, right? So AB is 4. So which side is going to be doubled? Means 8. It will be PQ, QR or PR. Which one? It has to be PQ because it is the corresponding side, the matching side. Remember that. So if BC is 5 centimeter, which side? QR will be 10 centimeter. AC 6 centimeter. So PR will be 12 centimeter. Now there has to be some relation, right? What is that relation? Let's observe that. Let's create the ratio between the corresponding sides. So when I say the corresponding side, for AB the corresponding side is PQ. So the ratio of AB and PQ will be 4 upon A, that is nothing but 1 by 2. BC upon QR is nothing but 5 by 10, that means it is also 1 by 2. And AC upon PR is nothing but 6 upon 12, that means it is also 1 by 2. So, what did we observe here? We came to know that AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. That means we got these ratios to be equal. Which ratios? The ratio of the corresponding sides. So, what we can conclude here is that the corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. Proportion means the ratios are equal. That is what happens to the sides when the triangles are similar. Now let's observe what happens to the angles, right? You know the sides were doubled. So the angles would be doubled, yes or no? No. Let's understand why. Now angle A was 70, if it would be doubled, that means it would be 140 degree. The shape would change. That means it is going to remain the same. So if A is 70, P will also be 70. B is 80, that means Q will also be 80. C is 30, that means R will also be 30. That means we are saying that angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. That means what we conclude here is saying that angles are equal. That means the corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. That means what we understood is when two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion and corresponding angles are equal. That is what we understood. Now why do the angles remain equal? We understood there because we know that the shape remains the same, right? A small thing which I want you to understand. Observe. I'm saying triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Both the triangles are similar to each other. That's the sign of similarity, right? So we have triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Now, when two triangles are similar, write the name of the triangles according to that 1-to-1 correspondence. A corresponds to P, B corresponds to Q, C corresponds to R. Now, when two triangles are similar, we just learned that the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. That means AB, right? AB upon PQ, right? This ratio will be equal to BC upon QR, right, equal to AC upon PR. That is what we get. So first second upon the first second, second third upon the second third, and first third upon the first third. That is what we have. And what is the reason for that? Because they are the corresponding sides of similar triangles. Same way, now what happens to the angles? What is the relation between the corresponding angles? They are equal, right? That means we know that angle A is equal to angle P, right? And we know that angle B is equal to angle Q. And we also know that angle C is equal to angle R. And now this is what we have. That means, remember, when two triangles are similar, the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal and the corresponding angles are equal.